If you've made the decision to remodel your home before selling it, you should do some research to find the right contracting company. We recommend getting at least 3 written estimates, asking for and checking references, and seeing if your local Chamber of Commerce or Better Business Bureau has received any complaints. Make sure the contractor has all the necessary licenses and insurance, as well as the ability to obtain permits. Be sure to ask if the contractor's workers will do the entire job or if subcontractors will be involved. Once you find a contractor you want to proceed with, read the contract carefully. Be sure the contract is clear about what is to be done and how changes will be handled. Make sure it states when work will be completed and what recourse you have if it isn't. The contract should specify who will clean up after the job and who is responsible for damages. Make sure the materials meet your specification. When this is all finalized, it's time to seal the deal. You can usually cancel a contract within 3 business days of signing it and make a small down payment so you won't lose much if the job isn't completed properly. Don't make the final payment until you're satisfied with the work. If you have any questions about the home remodeling or selling process, please just call, text, or email us today.